So hi, welcome you all to Tech Masters. We are on the Founders Forum, right? And today we have somebody who's done a phenomenal job when it comes to amateur cricket in India. So we were taught by our management teachers when I was in the postgraduate college. That when a large business comes about, there are a lot of ancillary businesses that start popping around that business, right? I mean, so for example, if there's an automobile company, there are companies that manufacture automotive parts, right? And that's how they start growing. And closer home, you go to any big mandir, you go to a temple, आप देखेंगे वो टेम्पल के बाहर छोटे-छोटे दुकान हो जाती हैं, राइट? कोई पूजा सामग्री बेच रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज़ दैट अराउंड द लार्ज इकोनॉमी देयर आर मल्टीपल स्मॉल इकोनॉमीज दैट पॉप अप. Um, let me talk a little bit more on this, right? So, um, from scoring cricket matches with the pen, to building an app which is now being used by more than 30 million users worldwide, right? And Abhishek, you can correct me if I'm wrong. My understanding is that 30 million players, umpires, ground owners, organizers are using this app, right? And
Yeah, we have crossed 40 million on this.
40 million. Fantastic, fantastic. And now let me connect what I said initially to what I said just now. Okay. I've seen a lot of things change in Gurgaon. I started living here in 2013. And what we see is that there are a lot of grounds. There were a lot of grounds, and now there are many more grounds. So I think in the township of Gurgaon, multiple sectors and Manesar, all that put together, we must have around 100 cricket grounds. Um, there were only one or two sports shop in 2013. Now there are just too many. I mean, you really lose the count of sports shop which are there in Gurgaon. Um, Young boys and middle-aged men like us, okay, are keeping a record, are keeping a track of their scores on the Crick Heroes app. And that is exactly what keeps on pulling us back into the game, right? That I want to improve this, I want to improve that. So what I'm trying to say is that one app, one idea has changed the ecosystem, the cricket sporting map in one city so much that there are multiplicity of shops, there are multiplicity of bowling nets now. So there are bowling machines where you can go and practice cricket. There's a hell of a lot of stuff that one can do, and this was not available, say even 7 or 8 years ago. Um, so so viewers, let me now introduce Abhishek Desai to you. Abhishek Desai is the founder of Crick Heroes app, right? And he's there with us today on this podcast. And the way grassroots cricket has changed thanks to the app is simply phenomenal. Abhishek, welcome you to Founders Forum on Tech Masters.
Thank you. Thank you, Nitish. Thank you so much. I would just like to add, आपने जो एग्जांपल दिया, मुझे लगता है कि IPL has done that for us. Like because of IPL, I think the number of cricket shops आप जो बोल रहे हैं या आपका number of cricket grounds or the infrastructure and even in like something like Crick Heroes, I think has become possible because of the craze which this country has gone into, specifically after IPL phenomena, right? Or IPL phenomena is also kind of result of T20 phenomena, right? And specifically India winning the T20 World Cup in 2007, which kind of pushed the idea of IPL much faster than like it could have done otherwise. So I believe कि cricket is like the center, and then there is cricket के नीचे फिर then there is T20 format. Like because of which वो जब बड़ा मंदिर की बात कर रहे हो, मेरे ख्याल से बड़ा मंदिर क्रिकेट है, और वो मंदिर के आजू बाजू फिर क्रिक हीरोज है, ग्राउंड्स है, शॉप्स है, everyone around that is so yeah, really fortunate to be in this business, and like lucky to be there at the right time, right place in India, right? So many factors have worked in like whatever Crick Heroes has become so far.
So Abhishek, delve into your memory and take us back to that moment when this idea of coming up with Crick Heroes came up.
Sure. To be honest, I don't remember like that exact point, but I think it was culmination of a lot of experiences around grassroots cricket. So I used to play cricket with my friends, just like you play, and millions of other cricketers in India play. Every weekend we used to play. So like we used to play those 7 over 8 overs matches, but on a full pitch with bowling in on. The ground was slightly smaller, but otherwise very competitive cricket. So we used to play about 2-3 matches every day, Saturday, Sunday. Right, so about 6-7 matches, and like most of those matches were not scored, and like I realized that somewhere but the discussions were always there. Like our friends, like we always used to discuss around cricket. Like वो कौन कैसा खेला, कौन जीत नहीं रहा है, कौन फॉर्म में नहीं है, like वो क्या थोड़ा इसलिए हार गए वगैरह वगैरह. Right? Typical discussions which happen चाय पे चर्चा kinds. And I realized that there is something missing in this entire experience. So I thought that why don't we at least start scoring the matches digital. Right? So I tried my hands in couple of apps which are already there in the market, but was not happy with the interface, the user experience, overall user experience. And like they were also not designed for normal cricketers like me, like a grassroots cricketer, right? They were designed for either the large cricket clubs or associations or a professional scorers. Right? So I saw a gap over there, but वहाँ पे फिर मैं रुका नहीं. I also researched and did a little survey in my vicinity and figured that हमारे जैसा ही problem सब लोगों का है. They all are either not scoring the matches or scoring the matches on those paper-based score sheets, right? Those famous Vixen score sheet. And it's very, very difficult to get a meaningful insight from those score sheets as well. So that's where I think this idea struck, that whatever is there in the market is not good enough for grassroots cricket, and people do have a serious need of scoring cricket matches, because then they really want to preserve their data, they really want to become better with the help of data, but there is no way to do it. And fortunately for me, I was also looking for ideas to work on, because I had already kind of operationally come out from my previous company, Digicorp, and which I had started back in 2004 with 3 of my classmates and friends. We all computer engineers, so we all had tech background. So as part of Digicorp, I had a chance to work on a lot of products, web-based products primarily, and later on also a lot of mobile apps, which gave me a background, which gave me a like a understanding of this, how entire thing works. We also worked with a lot of startups during our journey, so I know how to build a product just from an idea. So that background, that experience helped. And I really wanted to create something of our own, create our own IP, and really wanted to create a B2C app from India, because like there are not enough B2C success stories. We were discussing about Zoho, right? So like Zoho, I think there are hardly few success stories coming out from India, specifically in the B2C segment. So like that was kind of a dream कि मैं ऐसा कुछ कर पाऊँ जिससे the creation can touch millions of lives. So that particular ambition was there, and in this entire thing I saw an opportunity कि यार यहाँ पे एक B2C app बन सकता है. I can create a product which cricketers can use to at least score their matches, and then हम देखते हैं उसके बाद आगे क्या होता है. Right? So that's how like we started. I raised a small fund from a small round from my friends and family. We as of Digicorp, we could also put in our own money. So that's how the journey of Crick Hero started. So we registered the company in July 2016, and in October 2016 we could launch the first version of the product. So yeah, that's like a genesis of Crick Heroes.
That's fantastic, Abhishek. In fact, I'll tell you, my son, so he also plays. I play cricket. In my family, there are 7 of us who play cricket, right? And we keep on tracking each other, right? And thanks to your app, we keep on going back to the game. And this is what I mentioned during the introduction as well. That this app has done this beautiful thing, that because of the app, we can see what we are doing wrong. We can see what we are doing right. The app intuitively also tells us where all we can improve, right? So we just keep on going back to the game. So it is not that आज संडे को खेला फिर 4-5 संडेज के बाद खेला, right? I mean, see, look at the things that are coming up. The team cohesiveness, right? I mean, we kind of all of us met as strangers. एक दूसरे को जानता है, दूसरा तीसरे को जानता है. That's how the teams came about. And now, these are very tightly knit, I would say emotionally close, small groups which have come up, all thanks to the app. I don't know whether you visualize that much, but there's a lot of emotional investment that all of us have, in the sport now, thanks to Crick Heroes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. A very small detour I'm taking from this interaction. So Sridhar Vembu of Zoho, this is a shout out to you. Before we started our interaction, I asked Abhishek, since we are recording this on Click, I asked him if it was easy for him to log on, and he said absolutely fine. And he's been a user of Zoho since quite some time now, and we spoke really nice things about Zoho. We spoke really nice things about you. Both of us feel that you're a great visionary. and kudos to you, and please keep on going on. And you kind of you fire a lot of people's imagination. So this is a shout out to you.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So Abhishek, एक बात बताइए, when you came up with this idea, not everybody would have been supportive. No, somebody would have said कि यार ये नहीं होगा, ये नहीं हो सकता. Did you hear voices like that? And when you heard voices like that, how did you keep them away?
I think ये नहीं हो सकता है वैसा तो नहीं सुना है Nitish, but I'll tell you what like what people were skeptical about. Specifically when Crick Hero scaled to a certain extent, and when I went to the market to raise more funds, at that time definitely there were a lot of doubts in terms of how big the business can be, and even today there are doubts, right? कि ये कितना बड़ा हो सकता है, right? Can this become a $1 billion opportunity, right? Which is like a typically all the VCs see the startups, right? So वहाँ पे definitely I have faced kind of doubts from them and all. But apart from that, I don't think anyone like who are like close to me or even our users, like I think everybody is very bullish on the idea, and everyone loves what we have done, and like they all wish us best to go forward. But definitely the jury is still out that ये business कितना बड़ा हो सकता है. So like we all are, in a way, to be honest, we all are figuring it out.
तो माय सेंस इज इसका कोई लिमिट नहीं है, राइट? लाइक जैसे क्रिकेट का कोई लिमिट नहीं है, इसका भी कोई लिमिट नहीं है. You've given a phenomenal structure to amateur cricket worldwide, right? And we'll come to the world little later, but even if we stick to India, India in itself is a world, Abhishek. मैं कई बार in our conversations it comes up, आज से 200 साल पहले पूरे दुनिया की आबादी 150 करोड़ थी, राइट? आज हमारे देश की आबादी 150 करोड़ है. सो वी आर अ वर्ल्ड in ourselves, right? There is no scale that we cannot achieve within our country itself. And so talking of scale, what was that first win, in your mind that made you believe, yes, this can become big, and this is an idea whose time has come?
I think again, like to be honest, it will be very hard to pinpoint some events, but definitely in our first 7.5 months, we achieved 100K organic users.
Yes.
I think that was definitely one moment where we all felt that we are onto something. But even before that, small moments. For example, जब हमने हमारा पहला टूर्नामेंट स्कोर किया, तब तो it was a very scrappy app. It was just a scoring module. There was not even a way to view your scorecards on the app. Right? अगर आपको आपका स्कोर कार्ड व्यू करना है तो उसके लिए एक स्पेशल लिंक था जो हम आपको जनरेट करके देते थे, राइट? सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट really first version of the app. उसके बाद obviously we evolved very fast and we added the scorecard functionality. फिर हमारे पास टूर्नामेंट का कोई मॉड्यूल नहीं था, राइट? सो after a month or maybe 1.5 months of launch, we saw somebody scoring a match on Crick Heroes, right? And we were really surprised कि यार इसने कैसे स्कोरिंग चालू किया अपने आप, because in our mind, like only we could do the scoring, right? We had not even kind of launched it in public yet, right? So then, like we called that guy and said that, hey, how did you hear about Crick Heroes and how did you start? So then he said, कि boss, like I was the player in the first tournament you scored, right? But अभी मैं वापस मेरे गांव पे आया हूँ और वहाँ पे यहाँ पे एक टूर्नामेंट चल रहा है, तो मैंने सोचा कि लाओ मैं भी ये टूर्नामेंट स्कोर करता हूँ, right?
Okay.
So that like moments like this kind of gave us confidence that like whatever we have made, is also acceptable to people, and like really people want to have something like this, and we have made it at least that easy that people are doing it on their own. So छोटे-छोटे moments आपको confidence देते रहते हैं, right? Then a lot of people started coming to us and saying that now अभी मुझे ये टूर्नामेंट करना है तो आप मुझे एक टूर्नामेंट का पेज बना के दो, right? So essentially imagine like a Facebook page, right? But Facebook page अगर आप खुद नहीं बना सकते, आपको Facebook को बोलना पड़ेगा कि भी मेरा ये पेज बना के दो, right? So वो औलत था, right? तो ये सब चीजें जब होती है तब कोई भी प्रोडक्ट में, not in just Crick Heroes, but whenever this kind of validation comes or this kind of feedback comes, you really start believing in what you are doing. So yeah, and then when you achieved milestones like your first 100,000 users, for your first 1 million users, these are the milestones which make those beliefs stronger and stronger.
So these milestones, right? The first 100,000 users. In fact, I had a question on that, but you already kind of preempted my question and you answered it. My question was that touching 100,000 users in 7.5 months, what exactly worked, right? And give us some behind the scenes of reaching this figure. Yeah, and then I'm just, but you can share some more.
No, definitely. No, I think what worked was the organic or built-in virality in the app. So we did not realize it immediately, but very soon it was apparent that there is an inbuilt virality in Crick Heroes. Why? Because when you're scoring a match, you are adding couple of teams in the app, right? In the platform.
Mm.
And when you add those two teams, essentially the captains or the admins of the team start doing it. So one person adds 10 players minimum, right? अगर आप 11 लोगों की team गिनो तो. And so two people end up adding 20 players, right? And half of them, all of them get message saying that, hey, Nitish added you in his team and Abhishek added you in his team, right? Half of them end up adding, downloading the app and registering themselves to claim their profile.
Correct.
है ना? सो ये एक ऑर्गेनिक लूप हो गया. अभी ये जो 5 बंदे हैं जो अभी दूसरा मैच खेलेंगे, तो इट्स क्वाइट पॉसिबल कि उसमें से कोई बंदा दूसरा कोई टीम बनाएगा, राइट? और वो ऐड करेगा बाकी सब लोग को. सो दैट्स ऑल ना द लूप स्टार्टेड स्प्रेडिंग, राइट? प्लस जब टूर्नामेंट्स आती है तो ऑर्गेनाइजर आता है, और ऑर्गेनाइजर मान लो कि 10 टीम की टूर्नामेंट है या 8 टीम की है या 16 टीम की है, राइट? सो ऑर्गेनाइजर एंड अप एडिंग ऑल दोज प्लेयर्स in the tournament or the scorer of that tournament, right? So essentially, like what is happening is that one person is kind of becoming that catalyst for you. Who ends up adding a lot of people, and then those people, out of those people, some of them also become catalyst to add some more people. Right? So this kind of built-in virality helped us.
So this is exactly what is called the network effect, right? So if I'm on a platform, are you also on the same platform, right?
Yes.
So that's how people keep on getting added to the platform, and the network keeps on growing, right? This is a textbook case of network effect. If
I think just to refine that definition a bit, true network effects are when somebody else, when gets added to the network, the value for everyone increases. राइट.
Yes.
सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाँ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप मेरे टीम में हो और आप जब क्रिक हीरोज पे आते हो, तो ऑटोमेटिकली द क्रिक हीरोज बिकम्स बेटर फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस,
Yes.
राइट? बिकॉज नाउ बोथ ऑफ अस कैन काइंड ऑफ फॉलो ईच अदर्स जर्नी. और जब हमारा कोई ओपोनेंट क्रिक हीरोज पे आता है, राइट, तो हम सबके लिए क्रिक हीरोज और अच्छा हो जाता है. सो आई थिंक दैट ऑल्सो अगेन ये सब चीजें टू बी ऑनेस्ट जब चालू करते हैं तब सोची नहीं होती है, बट लाइक यू जस्ट काइंड ऑफ लर्न सच थिंग्स ऑन द
Yeah, so so today onwards I have started following you, Abhishek. So my scanners are totally on you now.
Yes, I realized जैसे ही आपका मैसेज आया, I realized that you are following me, and fortunately for me, I was having a really not good form for many matches now. 0-0-0, 1 wicket, 0-0 wickets, etc. कब का चल रहा था, and after a long time I got 4 wickets. So it was really good that you started following me now and not before.
So I've seen your stats, and I have a fair idea of what kind of a player you are. But why don't you tell our viewers whether you're a bowler or you're a batter, right? Or you're a bowling all-rounder or you're a batting all-rounder? Because I have a follow-up question on this, which might trick you, but it's okay, let it trick you. So why don't you share first?
या नहीं, देखिए हम लोग इंडिया में तो ऑलराउंडर तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा. So मेरी जर्नी टू बी ऑनेस्ट,
Bowler or are you a batter in your heart?
no, and right now I'm a better bowler compared to a batter.
So here comes a trick. Here comes a trick, Abhishek. Then here comes a trick. We were playing cricket, right? And कुछ ऐसे ही चल रहा था, and match खत्म होने वाला था, right? And we were going to win it. Knew that we were going to win it, and we won the match. And I just said, यार जो भी है, man of the match तो batter ही लेके जाएगा. But typically that's how cricket is, right? It's a batsman's game. I mean, people really don't care two hoots about what the bowlers have done. It's a batsman's game, and T20 has made it even more a batsman's game, right? So Aditya, who's my relative and who's also a valued team member, he's a phenomenal batter, by the way. So Aditya ने बोला, he said, आपको पता नहीं है, the algorithm of Crick Heroes is such that it favors the bowler. And trust me, you are going to be the MVP of this match. And I was the MVP of that match, right? So I was very happy. So I mean, the idea was, he said that, look, this is one platform that is tilted towards the bowler. Right now, I don't know whether it is so or not so, but the fact that you're a bowler, right, at heart, and you're a founder, now kind of tells me that Adi may have been at least 70-80%. So why don't you throw your
no. So जब हमने ओरिजिनली MVP का एल्गोरिथम डिजाइन किया था, तो इफ आई रिमेंबर करेक्टली इट वाज स्लाइटली बेटर फ्रेंडली. फिर हमको रियलाइज हुआ कि यार लाइक इवन दो बॉलर्स आर टेकिंग विकेट्स, आई मीन सी T20 मैच में और इवन कम 12 ओवर की मैच में, टेनिस बॉल में या 16 ओवर की मैच में, इफ यू टेक 3 विकेट्स, इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल अचीवमेंट, आई मीन इट्स अ बिग डील, राइट? एंड हमने देखा कि यार कोई बंदा 3-4 विकेट ले रहा है, लेकिन सामने अगर कोई बंदा 50-60 रन मार रहा है, तो वो मैन ऑफ द मैच बन रहा है, right? So somewhere we found that it doesn't look fair. So then we kind of tweaked the algorithm and tried to favor the bowler a bit more. It's not heavily tilted, but it is definitely slightly more tilted towards the bowler, because we also feel that T20 में या even उससे छोटे फॉर्मेट में विकेट्स लेना या इकोनॉमिक बॉलिंग डालना, that itself is it's a feat, right? And specifically, all the other conditions are also not supporting you, right? Most of the pitches will be favoring batters. The entire game is the grounds are becoming smaller, right?
Correct.
So ये सब conditions में bowler के लिए, like if he ends up achieving taking 3 wickets, 4 wickets in a game, मेरे ख्याल से he also deserves the MVP.
Yes, yes. So, let me share an insight with people who will be watching this, especially cricket players and especially the bowlers. So, guys, the more you take the top order wickets, more the chances that you're going to be the player of the match or the most valued player of the match, right? So, keep on taking those prized wickets which are right on the top, and that's how that's a quick way or a quick ladder to becoming the most valuable player of the match.
Agree, yeah.
I realized this. I realized this in the last match, Abhishek. I'll tell you what happened. So I took 3 wickets, and I think I gave away 33 runs in 3 overs, right? So 3 overs, so that's 11 runs ka average, but I took 3 wickets. And there was another bowler in my team who also took 3 wickets, and uska average मेरे ख्याल से 9 था, and he had bowled 4 overs. And I was wondering, why is it that I am the best bowler of the match and not he? And that's when I realized that I had taken out the top 3 batsmen, right? So that's possibly the reason why I
True. We keep, to be honest, we keep tweaking the algorithm, like every few months here and there. तो पहले वो थोड़ा हमने ज्यादा दिया था वहां पे टॉप ऑर्डर के अगर बैटिंग, इनफैक्ट अगर आप बोल्ड करते हो तो भी इट्स कंप्लीटली बॉलर्स विकेट. अगर कोई कैच करता है फॉर एग्जांपल, तो देन वी आल्सो एंड अप अवॉर्डिंग सम पॉइंट्स टू फील्डर्स, राइट? सो वी ट्राई टू, बट सी कभी ना कभी ऐसा होता है कि कोई सिचुएशन शायद अल्गोरिदम नहीं पकड़ पाएगा, राइट? सो ऐसा भी होता है. And like when it slightly feels unjustified to somebody, because like both of them are kind of running very very close to getting the award, right? So ये सब जब हमको complaints आती है तो we again go back to the drawing board and see कि हम कहाँ पे improve कर सकते हैं, है ना? But like we see in grassroots cricket, what we have realized is कि कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि लोग ऐसा भी खेलते हैं कि यार लास्ट टाइम किसकी बैटिंग नहीं आई थी, उसको पहले भेजो, राइट? के बैटिंग होते हैं वो मिडिल ऑर्डर्स में भी आ सकते हैं, राइट? या लास्ट में भी आ सकते हैं, है ना? सो देन इट आल्सो आस्क्स अ क्वेश्चन, राइट, कि भाई तो फिर हमारा जो एल्गोरिदम है जो सिर्फ टॉप ऑर्डर की विकेट को थोड़ा फेवर करता है, वो कितना सही है, राइट? कितने केसेस में सही होगा? सो ये सब दीज आर आल्सो न्यूएंसेस व्हिच यू नीड टू टेक केयर, जो जनरली आपको इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट या आईपीएल में उतना वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहता है.
Correct. And I've seen if a batter comes in the lower order and if he really hits very hard, तो उसके भी chances ज़्यादा score MVP के ज़्यादा बन जाते हैं, because the convention is that if somebody is coming lower in the batting order, he's not such a great batsman as the top order batsman, right? Which means that if he's scoring, if he's really mercilessly beating the bowlers, he has a better chance of becoming a man of the match than the batter at the top.
100%. आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि जस्ट आपसे बात करते करते एक आइडिया आया. मुझे लगता है कि rather than focusing on the order of the batter, मेरे ख्याल से we should also focus on the history of the batter, right? So और खास करके जो बैटर टैग्स हम देते हैं, राइट? सो अगर आप हार्ड हिटर को आउट करते हो फॉर एग्जांपल कंपेयर टू अक्यूमुलेटर, मे बी like you might want to give them slightly some more points, राइट? फिर वो कौन से भी ऑर्डर में आया हो, पहले आया हो या लास्ट में आया हो, डजंट मैटर. सो आई थिंक
I would
कर सकते हैं. हाँ,
I would request, आप ये सारी चीजें अभी आउट मत करो, वरना बैटर्स मेरे को पकड़ के पीटेंगे कि क्योंकि तूने ऐसा सवाल पूछा इसलिए अभिषेक ने एल्गोरिथम चेंज किया. सो अभी आप ये सब मत बताओ, आप चुपचाप चेंज कर देना, देन आई विल बी स्पेयर्ड.
ओके, ऑलराइट.
Okay, and Abhishek, again, going back to the 100,000 wala jo milestone tha, you had mentioned that, right? And that gave me an idea. See, 100,000 was a big achievement for you, right? So that was like, one milestone achieved, right? and this is sort of gamification, and I really love the kind of gamification that you brought in a rap, which is that choke slammer. So agar koi maiden over dalta hai, right, so he gets a choke slammer badge. 3 wickets is a keys, right? Likewise, 30 runs score, 50 runs score, 100 runs score, so batsmen also get those badges. Tell us about the development of the UI UX. And this is a part of UI UX only, right? So,
Yes, yes.
what all? I mean, how do you guys do it? Is there a team of people who stick together? One is a batter, one is a bowler. कैसे करते हो आप ये सब? What ideas? How do you brainstorm the ideas?
I think having cricketers in my team really helps in this direction. So, for example, जो जिन लोगों ने badges design किया है, at least I mean, I know for a fact that like 1 or 2 people in that team will be are cricketers themselves at heart, right? When not only they have designed this algorithm कि हम कहाँ पे कौन सा achievement पे badge दे सकते हैं, but they have also come up with the names, right? So आपने जितने भी नाम बोले, the guy who is managing the subscription business right now, he was the one who came up with the names also, right? So I also did not have to worry about कि बैच का नाम क्या रखेंगे, right? So he created an Excel sheet saying that okay, देखो हम ये milestone हम दिखा सकते हैं और ये milestone का description नाम ये हो सकता है, description ये हो सकता है, right? Because he himself like he's a cricketer and he knows that cricketers like kind of yearns for recognition. And recognition was one of the fundamental pillars of Crick Heroes when it started. So I firmly believed before Crick Heroes or while launching Crick Heroes that ये grassroots cricket में बहुत talented लोग cricket खेलते हैं, right? जो अभी कुछ इंडिया के लिए नहीं खेलने वाले हैं, right? उनको पता है, but they play the game for fun, for passion, but उनका talent कम नहीं है, right? या ऐसे भी बहुत सारे क्रिकेटर्स हैं जो शायद स्टेट की टीम में खेल रहे हो, अभी इंडिया में ना हुए हो, डिस्ट्रिक्ट खेले हो, स्टेट में ना खेले हो, राइट? वेरी वेरी टैलेंटेड क्रिकेटर, बट once their career is over, the professional career is over, right? There is nothing which kind of recognizes them. For example, district matches या state matches का तो newspaper में भी clippings आता है, right? But हम लोग जो grassroots cricket खेलते हैं वो कौन recognize करता है, right? So we saw a huge gap over there, right? So मेरे ख्याल से वो gap को हमारा constant kind of endeavor ये है कि how do we keep filling that gap of recognition. So उसके भी direction में फिर हमने badges launch किए, हमने awards launch किए. Even we launched something like Crick Heroes Awards, right? And annual awards, right? Not just match level, but match level, tournament level, city level, state level, country level, and then Crick Heroes Awards, which covers everything.
Wow.
Right? So we continuously keep investing in recognizing cricketers better and better.
So Abhishek, ये Crick Heroes Awards के बारे में even I was not aware. So why don't you tell us a little bit more about Crick Heroes Awards, and also please take us through player rankings.
Sure.
And that was the first thing on which you and I connected a couple of years ago.
Yes. Yeah. No, so Crick Heroes Awards is an initiative from Crick Heroes. अभी 4 साल पुराना हो गया. So पिछले 4 साल से हम annual award show करते हैं, where we, from the data which we have, we kind of recognizes the top cricketers in very few categories. For example, best batter, leather ball, best batter, tennis ball, best bowler, leather ball, best bowler, tennis ball, then best veteran cricketer, best captain, best team, best official, best umpire, best scorer, right? So ऐसे बहुत सारे awards हम देते हैं based on the data which we have logged on Crick Heroes, right? और ये पूरा exercise होता है January में, right? So December 31st तक का data हम consider करते हैं. So for example, Crick Heroes Awards 24 will be recognizing all the people who have played cricket in the year 2024. और वो जो awards होंगे वो January में announce होंगे, right? After all the data crunching and all data cleansing and everything. Right? So पहले 2 साल हमने ये सब तो किया, but we also kind of invited Jatin Sapru to host the show, right? So it was a virtual show, virtual this thing. So Jatin Sapru came and like he did a brilliant job in terms of creating that like 1.5 hour long show, जहाँ पे हमने ये सारे क्रिकेटर को अनाउंस किया, right? Just as the way वो फिल्म फेयर में होता है या like typical award show में होता है उस टाइप से. And then in last 2 years, like we kind of changed the format. अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि प्लेटफॉर्म पर ज्यादा फोकस कर रहे हैं कि हम क्रिक हीरोज पर इसको ज्यादा अनाउंस करते हैं, right? And we also added popular categories, most popular, because in some cases we realized कि our data will not do the justice because a lot of people were very very close to each other. For example, a best aspiring cricketer, let's say under the age of 14 or 30, right? अभी उसमें बहुत सारे बच्चे आएंगे, का वो लाइक इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कंपेयर देयर जर्नी बिकॉज वो अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं, राइट? किसी के रन 4,000 है, किसी के रन 5,000 है, इट डज नॉट डू द जस्टिस कि वो 1,000 रन के लिए आप उनको कंपेयर करो. सो फिर हमने उसको पॉपुलर अवार्ड में कन्वर्ट किया. सो लाइक वेयर पीपल आर ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ सीकिंग ओके लाइक माई फ्रेंड्स आर वोटिंग फॉर मी, लाइक किसको कितने ज्यादा वोट मिलते हैं, उसके हिसाब से फिर देन द अवार्ड गोज टू. इवन बेस्ट कैप्टन इज ऑल्सो दैट काइंड ऑफ कैटेगरी, राइट? बिकॉज इट इज जस्ट अ फंक्शन ऑफ हाउ मेनी मैचेस यू हैव प्लेड. अभी कोई कैप्टन बहुत अच्छा है बट कम मैचेस खेलते हैं, राइट? और कोई कैप्टन ऐसे हैं कि बहुत सारे मैचेस खेलने का उनको चांस मिलता है, right? तो वहां पे लाइक वी ट्राई टू लेवल द फील्ड. So that's the initiative. But the best thing मेरे ख्याल से is we last year, so this year we I think 185 award winners थे total, right?
Wow.
There are runners up, मतलब 1, 2, 3, right? In every category, right? 185. All those 185 winners get a physical award from us in a proper, like in a very, very, like a cool box and physical trophy. Then there is the winners get also T-shirt, cap, Crick Heroes point, and I think Crick Heroes jacket also in this case, right? And then second person they get the Crick Heroes T-shirt. The third person will also get Heroes coin, something like that. But essentially, like invest quite a lot of money. And to be honest, I mean, पूरा Crick Heroes sponsor करता है. There are no sponsors here, right? So the entire खर्चा of finding the winners, data crunching, वो सब, everything, and plus this award का खर्चा and shipping, logistics. Even we also kind of announce outside India. So अभी हमारे पास इंडिया के winners भी है और outside India के winners भी है, right? So we also skip these awards outside India to all the winners. So it's a costly exercise, to be honest. It's slightly expensive, but लगता है कि यार something which like Crick Heroes stands for, right? And people really appreciate this particular initiative.
So in fact, it is Abhishek. Like I told you, we keep on going back to the game. A lot of conversations are sparked during and at the end of the game. हम लोग जब अपने stats लेके बैठते हैं, and I'll tell you how the stats or how these conversations are crossing over just from team conversations to even home conversations, right? So like I told you, in our family, we have 7 of us who play cricket, right? And so what happens is that our family members also get to know what is happening. वो क्रिक हीरोज पे आके हमको देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. सो बाय द टाइम वी रीच होम दे आर ऑलरेडी अवेयर किसने क्या किया है. एंड देन देयर आर जोक्स इन द फैमिली ग्रुप. ये 0 पे आउट होके आ गया, इसकी बॉल पे छक्का पड़ा. So these conversations, it's really amazing to see that you're not just getting people and cricket ecosystem together.
Right.
The conversations have moved on to people's drawing rooms, and I think that's a huge achievement. In fact, while speaking with you, you want to say something, and then I'll come to the next one.
I just wanted to say that I myself have been butt of jokes from my family for this because जैसे मैंने बोला कि because I'm a bowling all-rounder, so like अभी मेरी बैटिंग कभी 8वें नंबर पे आती है, कभी 10वें 11वें नंबर पे आती है, right? So you will always be in a situation where you have to hit or you get out, right? And you don't get enough opportunity to set, etc., etc. So generally मेरे single digit में रन होते थे काफी टाइम तक, right? So it will be 1, 2, 3, 0, etc. So like my family, like when I come back for lunch, they were simply waiting to tell me my score or ask me कितना स्कोर किया है. उनको पता है कि मैंने कितना स्कोर किया, but still they will ask. So yeah, I know what you're saying.
I've heard things like आज फिर 0 पे आउट हो गए, आज फिर मैच हार गए. And I'm like, boss, तुम्हारे लिए बोलना इतना आसान है. So I have now. So while watching cricket, while watching IPL and while watching other cricket, I have stopped criticizing batsmen and bowlers now. I mean, I can really feel what they go through. क्या फिर मैच हार गए.
True.
So while speaking with you, मैं अपने mobile पे, there's a profile which I wanted to pull up. Right. In fact, before coming on this call, when we had connected a couple of days ago, I told you the kind of cricket which is developing at grassroots level, right? And you are right. All the boys will not be able to make it to the leagues, to the ICC or the BCCI cricket, right? But look at what is happening, Abhishek. In our team, we have 4 bowlers who consistently bowl above 120 kilometers per hour. Consistent. In fact, 135 तक जाते हैं वो लोग. So कई बार हमें उन्हें बोलना पड़ता है कि यार सामने जो बैट्समैन खेल रहा है थोड़ा सीनियर बैट्समैन है, so just slow down your pace, and they do that, right? There are batsmen who go to the bowling nets for practice. So I was telling you that business is also kind of mushrooming in Gurgaon, right?
Absolutely. Agree.
So there is this guy Prakhar in our team. There is Arun Arya. There is Karthik. They consistently bowl above 125, 125, 130, 125, 150. बहुत consistently ये लोग bowl करते हैं. There's this guy Atul Kasana. So I was trying to pull up his figures. Atul Kasana, he has scored almost 55,000 runs.
Oh, wow. Tremendous.
Right. He's crazy. He's played with us. He's played against us. Right. He's a phenomenal. He has scored 200 runs also in a match. जिसमें 100 रन पहले 10 ओवर में 100 रन दूसरे 10 ओवर में. And we were like, boss, तो runners क्या कर रहे थे फिर अगर सारा स्कोर तू ही create कर गया तो. So that's the kind of talent we are seeing. And you're right. The grassroots cricket is kind of coming up. It's not gully cricket anymore. And your Alvis is a big way in helping that.
100%. No, you are absolutely right. Even I mean, we haven't faced, personally, I haven't faced such fast bowlers often, but I see what you're saying. I think overall quality of cricket is definitely improving, even at grassroots level. And as I said, it's not just Cricket Heroes, but the overall cricket mania, fueled by IPL and other leagues, and obviously Indian team successes in recent past. Everybody wants to play a good game. People are not just there कि यार चलो खेलते हैं जो होगा देखा जाएगा. And obviously, everyone wants to have fun at the end of the day. But ऐसा नहीं है, not at the cost of performance, right? They really want to perform and they really want to be satisfied with their performance. फिर मैं अगर out हो जाता हूँ तो उतना problem नहीं है. But I should have that feeling that like I gave my 100% to the game.
Correct.
है ना? मुझे लगता है कि I think that's very important. हम इंडिया में sporting culture बनाने की बात करते हैं. Right, that India does not play enough sports, which is true in a way. Cricket definitely dominates, but even in cricket, people do play very, very passionately, which in a way not just maintain the body, the health, etc., but also the spirit. Correct. The game, the kind of lessons the game teaches us, right? वो lessons कहीं ना कहीं हमारे real life में, हमारे jobs में, हमारे businesses में भी वो सब काम आता है. Like that way, like becoming a sporting nation.
You're right. You're absolutely right. The determined. I mean, these softer qualities of being determined, being focused, and all that stuff. They cross over from sports to our professional lives. ये होता है. इसमें कोई doubt नहीं.
And हमारे cricketers में तो मतलब like because we are a cricket company, but we give so many examples of cricket team or cricket match. Like हमारा पूरा the culture of company is designed around it, right? So जब भी हमको opportunity मिलता है, we try to compare our culture with a cricket team or a cricket match, right? For example, अगर एक cricket team होता तो हम क्या करते हैं, right? So like that way, I think like lot of discussions become far more meaningful because they understand कि okay ground पे मैं ये कर रहा हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे ये कर रहा हूँ, all those kind. But yeah, it's very, very interesting.
Our captain is 53 years old, so age no bar, right? And he's a phenomenal batter. He's an opener, by the way. He opens batting, and कभी-कभी वो नीचे भी जाते हैं. His name is Gyanendra Srivastava, right? Phenomenal guy. Then our vice captain, he also typically opens, right? His name is Ashish Kapoor. He's a wicket-keeper batsman. Again, he can hammer almost everywhere. And Aditya, whose name I shared his name a little while ago, right? He's one of my relatives as well. He's again I mean he can be Adi Storm. Gale Storm hota tha na, वैसे ही he can be Adi Storm, right? So I remember 156 he scored in some 40 in 56 balls. Phenomenal. I mean, that's the kind of. Then there is another guy called Gaurav in our team, right? Again a phenomenal batter. आप उसको कहीं किसी भी position पे उतार दो, वो एकदम clear है, focus है, वो ठोकेगा, मतलब वो जाएगा and he'll start hitting the ballers. So so that's the kind of talent you've helped us meet and be with.
No, I think correct. You're right. I mean, definitely. See, I think they were all talented already. Cricket Heroes मेरे ख्याल से Cricket Heroes ने शायद कहीं पे help किया है तो वो शायद Discovery में help किया है. Yes. But like definitely talent तो उनका खुद का है. They have worked on their game so hard, and Cricket Heroes probably have played a small role in terms of motivation and in terms of discovery. Correct. But which we are really, really proud of.
Before I move on to the next question, I'll just name 3 more people जिनके मैं नाम ले लो भूल गया. So one is Rajveer and Yuvraj. They are brothers. They play with us. Again, massive hitters of the ball. Massive, massive hitters. मतलब इनके 80, 90, 100 मीटर के छक्के पड़ते हैं. Gaurav, Rajveer, Yuvraj, and even Dhavneet. You know, there's another guy, Dhavneet. He's a left-hand batsman. I mean, when they are on a roll, no, Abhishek, you love to watch their batting. 90 मीटर के छक्के मारते हैं ये लोग. So amazing, phenomenal. Okay, you bootstrapped a huge part of your journey, right? I mean, you said you started on your own. And obviously you sourced some money from friends and family. So
Yes.
bootstrapping, was that a philosophy or was that a necessity, right? I mean, did you go looking for more sponsors and they were not available and therefore you decided to go on your own? Did it become a necessity? या आपका philosophy यही था कि नहीं मेरे को bootstrap ही करना है?
इनिशियली तो मुझे लगा कि आई मीन एटलीस्ट जहाँ तक मेरा समझ था वो टाइम पे आई थॉट दैट वी विल हैव टू बिल्ड द प्रोडक्ट टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट ऑन आवर ओन, राइट? सो देयर वाज नो वे in terms of going out for the money specifically from institutional investors, right? Before just on an idea, right? Because I was from Ahmedabad and I had a tech background and tech company and all, but it was a services company, right? So not a startup guy per se. So location, background, pedigree, वो सब चीजें matters a lot when you are asking from institutional investors, right? So to be honest, मेरे शायद मेरे लिए वो ऑप्शन भी नहीं था, बट वो टाइम पे शायद मैंने उतना सोचा भी नहीं था. I got money from my friends and family and we invested our own money. वो हमें एक लेवल तक ले गया. उसके बाद fortunately for us, the next couple of rounds happened automatically with the help of friends, right? Somebody will come to us and say that, hey, Abhishek, you guys are doing a great job and I would really be part of the journey, right? So that's how at least the next two rounds happened, right? Which gave us fuel to probably work for a couple of more years before we could actually go to a professional angel investor. So I think it was a kind of a mix of luck and also the philosophy that let's try to build something on our own as far as we can before we go and raise money from financial investors.
So Abhishek, you guys are present in more than 100 countries now, right?
Yes.
So have you beaten ICC to that?
Yeah, no. So ICC, we do work with ICC in some initiatives. Specifically when they want to know about grassroots cricket or how it is evolving. One or two times we have kind of shared our data points with them in terms of aggregated data. कि भाई for example, कितने matches होते हैं, कितने tournaments होते हैं, right? Leather ball के कितने होते हैं, tennis ball के कितने होते हैं, just to give them a fair idea about how grassroots cricket landscape.
गेम जा कहाँ पे रहा है?
Exactly, game कहाँ पे जा रहा है, right? So and we are also again very fortunate that Quick Heroes has become that platform which can give relatively a sizable data points to them. So but I think ICC मेरे ख्याल से to be honest, the more I go deeper into it, I really appreciate what ICC has done for the game. ICC itself is present in more than 100 countries. There are 108 associate members of ICC, right? So essentially, more than half of the countries in the world are kind of playing cricket in one way or the other, right? And I think the second thing which has made this possible is the T20 format. Before T20, it was very, very difficult for countries where cricket is not the main sport to become a cricketing nation, right? 50-over match or test match is not a easy thing, right? T20 की वजह से क्या हुआ कि the game becomes smaller, more interesting, and it also became possible for these countries to participate in the game.
Correct.
And ICC has been really, really aggressive as an organization. And they also realized the fact that we will also need countries like US, Canada to be part of this journey.
Correct.
So they have invested heavily and conscious efforts. So they have done tremendous effort, and we are really happy to be part of the journey. That at grassroots level, we are at least helping these cricketing nations build cricket stronger.
So ICC took more than a few decades to reach 100 countries. You took less than a decade to reach 100 countries.
Yeah, I know, but I think I cannot, to be honest. I should not take.
That's on the lighter. That's on the lighter way. That's on the lighter way.
True.
Okay. Let me. Yeah, correct. So, Abhishek, 30 million. You have had 40 million users now, right? That's what you said.
Yes.
40 million users. Okay. I'm sure India is your biggest. India has your biggest subscriber base. Outside India, which are the top 3 or 4 countries or 5 countries which are like really big in subscriber base for you?
So second largest, so apart from Indian subcontinent, में India and then India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, Pakistan. This is the Indian subcontinent where like a lot of our users are there, but definitely mainly in India. Apart from that, Middle East is the biggest, specifically UAE, if I have to say in Middle East.
Okay.
Because I think UAE is the largest expats, has the largest expat
Correct.
population.
Correct.
So
Correct.
की वजह से a lot of people play cricket and they also play tremendous quality cricket. Right? जैसे आप गुड़गांव में, दिल्ली में लेदर बॉल क्वालिटी क्रिकेट खेला जाता है, वैसे ही lot of quality cricket gets played in UAE. People are really, really passionate about. So that is the second largest market for us. Apart from after that, maybe North America, Canada. So North America region where US and Canada, if you combine, it is a good region for us.
Okay.
And then we have your Australia and some European countries.
Uh-huh. So that's amazing. You're saying outside the Indian subcontinent, it is UAE, then it is
Yes.
US and Canada, and then it is Australia, and then of course the other European nations.
Correct. The reason why we are not big, very big in countries like Australia, England, because they also have their own grassroots cricket app backed by their respective boards. So Cricket Australia is backing an app, ECB is backing an app, and they have kind of mandated all the clubs or all the to use those apps, right? So obviously that is a difficult for somebody like Crick Heroes to enter into those market. Having said that, we still have, like quite a number of grassroots cricketers who are not affiliated to CA or ECB. They are using Heroes as their scoring platform.
So Abhishek, founders typically have to sacrifice their passions to run their businesses, right? And you, by the way, we just lost power, so that's the reason why you're seeing some darkness over here. I'm sure that the power will come back soon.
Okay, no worries.
हाँ आ तो जाना चाहिए. वी आर अ पावर सरप्लस स्टेट, बट कभी कभी पावर सरप्लस होने के बाद भी पावर का बैंड बच जाता है. So I think I'm looking fairly bright.
Sure. Yeah, this is good.
This is my cell phone's bulb. Oh, it's gone. The light is good. So
Okay, cool. All right.
great. Let me conserve my phone battery then. Okay, so I was saying that founders typically sacrifice their passions, right? And you've converted your passion into your business. So, as a founder, tell us some of the toughest days that you had with Crick Heroes, with the app.
Yeah, I think definitely some of my toughest days were probably somewhere in 2018-19 when our servers used to go down on Sunday, right, because of traffic, peak traffic, and we were not prepared for that, or we were not equipped to handle that traffic. So it was really, really stressful times for not just for me but for my entire team, right? Because जैसे server down होता है, मतलब the way we had designed the company, we had most of us were like in direct contact with our users, right? हमारा sales होगा, हमारा support team होगा, हमारा acquisition team होगा, सब लोग directly लोगों से बात करते हैं, right? अलग अलग. So अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है तो everybody will start getting calls, and I mean I'm not talking about like one call, two call, I'm talking about like hundreds of calls. And extremely stressful situation for all my team members and the people who are obviously trying to get back the server up, so our infra team and all. So definitely those were like heavily stressful days. Fortunately for us, now we have largely come out of it. अभी क्रिक हीरोज में ग्लिच होता है, बट रेयरली होता है, कभी कभी होता है, राइट? और एटलीस्ट होता है तो बहुत बड़ा ग्लिच नहीं होता है, राइट? So that is there. Apart from that, like in some maybe few days where we had to take tough decisions about like getting taking the funding and like kind of rejecting the funding for, because the chemistry is not matching, right? So that is one specific instance when we had to deny large funding from a company just because we felt that everything is good, but somewhere we feel that the chemistry will not match. So these are the tough calls which I had to take as founders, and at that time, you really, really doubt yourself that whether you are making a right call or not. And many a times, like even today, a lot of challenges like like you have to sacrifice one revenue stream so that like you can either give a better user experience or you can figure out a way to make larger money in the future, right? जो future अभी आने वाला है, right?
Hmm.
So, or you are taking a short-term hit, right?
Correct.
So जब ऐसे decisions लेने पड़ते हैं, तो like they become really really stressful, not just for me, but everyone involved in the decision making.
You know what? But I would say one thing, Abhishek. Denying funding, I think, is a better problem to have than go searching for funding. So I think you guys are in a good place.
No, yeah. No, but even that happened after a lot of search, to be honest. I have for Brick Heroes, I have reached out to maybe 150 investors. Out of them, like maybe one or two said yes, right? So it has been a very, like very, very hard journey in terms of finding the funding. As I said, because it's very, very difficult to convince investors of the market size कि ये market कितना बड़ा हो सकता है. But having said that, if- yeah, exactly. But having said that, every one of those conversations have taught me something. Right. And eventually, I realized the rejections also had some meaning, and they were also coming. Most of the investors come from a right place when they reject you, and they have genuine reasons to like not invest. So you realize as a founder eventually, and you also then start trusting their process, start trusting their instincts along with your instincts.
Hmm. Great. You also have in-app purchases, right? I mean, one can purchase stuff on the app.
Yes.
So how has that helped the business? You've seen the revenues from in-app purchases going up.
Yes. So our subscription model, which is the Quick Heroes Pro membership, right?
Hmm.
It is completely in app, and that has been the pillar, one of the major pillars of our revenue stream, right?
Correct.
So that is like a zero revenue channel for us. Apart from that, there are a few other things which you can purchase directly. For example, you can purchase live stream from Quick Heroes directly. If you want to live stream your match, or organizer wants to live stream the entire tournament, or even the score ticker, जो score overlay आता है, right? So if you have hired a live streamer, जो live streamer जो नीचे score overlay दिखाता है, that is generally powered by Quick Heroes. So live streamer Quick Heroes पे आता है वो score ticker लेने के लिए. So like this, there have been few in-app purchases, और हमारा major business model उसके ऊपर ही dependent था. We do have a B2B sales team, and definitely they do reach out to users, but lot of those transactions happen inside the app. That once the sale is done, right? Our ask them to come to app and purchase that particular feature. Now with store, which we have launched a couple of years ago, Take Hero Store. अभी हमारे पास ऐसे products हैं जो which are physical in nature, which you purchase again from the app only, inside the app only, but the delivery of those products happen outside the app. अभी तक ऐसा था कि most of the offerings were also kind of from the app, right? जो आप digital consumables बोलते हैं, but now there are also physical products.
Abhishek, you just mentioned B2B, that there is a B2B sale also which is happening. Can you delve a little bit more on that? I mean, what
Yeah,
kind of B2B?
So see, apart from grassroots cricketers directly, we also work with associations, clubs, basically organizations who are in charge of cricket, right? At least in their region or in their scope. Right? So those associations kind of purchase some premium features from us. For example, they will purchase a live stream plan for a year from us. They will purchase a white label or a white label website. So a lot of associations site apps are powered by Click Heroes.
Okay.
So for those white label offerings, our sales team reach out to them. They obviously explain them the offering, they explain the benefit, and a lot of them end up purchasing those offerings from us. Apart from the scoring module, which is essentially free, the scoring module is essentially free.
Score is
So
correct.
So we end up making money from those associations by selling these premium features.
So these are amateur associations, or are these professional associations?
Yeah, no, these are like state cricket associations or district cricket associations. Yeah.
So these are professional associations.
Absolutely, professional association, yes.
So, okay, I was not aware about this. So, what is it that BCCI or ICC have missed? I mean, if the state cricket associations are coming to Quick Heroes, to purchase these kind of services, what is it that the big ones have missed?
See, the thing is that the structure is quite federal in nature. So BCCI is obviously a like a top body, but all the state cricket associations have independent powers to make their own decisions.
Okay.
So they can choose the way they want to play cricket. They want to organize cricket in their state, or they want to structure cricket in their state, right? And they want to basically digitize cricket the way they want, right? So the market is open for everyone. So whoever can convince a state cricket association or a district cricket association of their platform, they are free to take that call, right? In terms of digitizing the records. Similarly, for ICT, all the associate members are free to take their own call in terms of using whatever platform they feel the best.
Um, this made me come to a point. So there's a batter, there's a bowler, and there's a fielder, right? And there are insights for all three of them on the app. It's easier to generate insight for batters and bowlers, but fielders के लिए थोड़ा difficult होता है insight generate करना, right? I felt that because the scorer or the umpire is really not catching those many data points about the fielders as they're catching about the batters and the bowlers. So Abhishek, what are your top of the mind 5, let's say, insights which you say that the batters should definitely look at that to improve their game, and the bowlers should definitely look at those insights to improve their games? So, which are your top of the mind insights?
Sure. I think few insights which I would like batters to look at. I think how they have done in last few matches. That is one, just to be mentally ready, and how are they getting out generally, right? Then what are the scoring region and what are the in which regions they are getting out, right? ये दो चीज as a batter, I think it's important to understand. Generally, as a batter, पता होता है, but like when we see these things on Crick Heroes in a wagon wheel, we kind of are prepared for not repeating those mistakes.
Correct.
Right. And another insight, valuable insight according to me for batter is the batting position. कई बार like हम अलग अलग बैटिंग पोजीशन पे खास करके अगर बैटिंग करते हैं तो which batting position is really working out for us. Maybe it is just a mental thing, right? But I mean, that's also a very strong kind of motivation, right? That okay, if once I'm confident that okay, I'm a good batter at number 4, right? And when I go at number 4, my confidence level is at different stage. So these are some of the things which I think batter can take advantage of. Bowlers, definitely in terms of like where they are getting the most wickets, in which region, and where they are getting the most runs, right? And what kind of runs. So are they getting most runs in boundaries? Are they getting most runs in singles and doubles, right? And in which phase of the play, कौन से phase of the play में उनको सबसे ज्यादा रन मिलते हैं, सबसे ज्यादा wickets मिलती है. So again, it is also mental readiness, right? Bowler के लिए भी, right? और वो मैं कहाँ पे मिस्टेक कर रहा हूँ, कहाँ पे मेरा runs लीक हो रहे हैं. Again, my extras, like where am I giving extras the most? So these are some of the insights which can help bowler become a better bowler. Fielding के लिए जैसे आपने बताया कि it's very difficult because lot of data points get captured. But I think So I think batter bowler के लिए these are some of the insights which I feel should be helpful.
I think fielder का data point capture करने के लिए the umpire alone can't do it. There has to be another person who's जैसे हम लोग cricket matches में देखते हैं ना, these guys are sitting on their laptops. So maybe I hope I really hope that Crick Heroes evolves to that level, right? Where we have professional scorers or amateur scorers keeping a track of what's happening on the field as well.
100%. No, we are also kind of figuring out ways to take advantage of computer vision technology. Where if the match is live streamed, like we are able to hopefully we'll be able to capture those moments which will not be captured manually by the scorers or the umpires.
There are grounds in Gurgaon, Abhishek, where cameras are installed for live streaming the match. बहुत सारे ऐसे grounds हैं. You when you come to Delhi, Gurgaon next time, just let me know. Keep a day completely for you to see and understand what's happening in cricket over here. You love it.
Yeah, no. I think this kind of setups I have also seen a lot in Hyderabad. So वहाँ पे भी people are crazy about cricket. It is as advanced as Delhi NCR, and most of the grounds over there will have camera setup. जहाँ पे like height पे camera लगा होगा, and there will be somebody who will be managing the camera in the match, etc. So and there will be a digital scorecard. So basically, ground owners end up spending a lot of money, investing a lot of money in their upgrading the facility. No, so I'm really happy to that in Delhi also it is the trend. I have a fair bit of idea, but to be honest, I'm yet to like see the entire thing in its entirety, like reality.
Keep one day with you, right? So when you're coming to Delhi for a 2-day trip, keep a third day where I'll actually show you all that happens over here.
Okay, done. That will do.
Right, and Abhishek, I think you said somewhere that you guys want to hit 50 million users soon.
For 51 million users, yeah. So I think we are right now at 42, if I'm not wrong, more than 42. Definitely in this year. So by end of this year or maybe December, January, we should be very close to 50 million. Yeah.
What next? And what happens when you reach 50 million? I mean, do you, I mean, would that be, let's say, would that help you in financially breaking even? Something like that will happen?
I think, see, मुझे मेरे ख्याल से it's a moving target, right?
Yes.
When you hit 50 million, like something 60 million will be there. But मुझे ख्याल से वो सब metrics अभी इतना important नहीं है, जितना
Hmm.
important is kind of optimizing what we have right now.
Hmm.
Right. So, for example, how can we make platform better for the existing users who are already using Click Heroes for such a long time, and also automatically for somebody who is just joining the network, right? So वो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं अभी, right? उस पे हमारा focus ज़्यादा है. How can we add more and more value to a cricketer in his or her cricketing journey? So yeah, that's where we are highly focused on, and that's why like we do not worry about when do we reach 50 million, when do we reach 60 million. वो उतना फोकस में नहीं है टू बी ऑनेस्ट बिकॉज जितना भी ग्रोथ हुआ है वो ऑटोमेटिकली हो रहा है राइट एंड वी आर ग्लैड दैट पीपल आर फाइंडिंग क्रिक हीरोज वन वे और द अदर एंड डाउनलोडिंग द ऐप एंड स्कोरिंग देयर मैच एंड ऑल बट हमारा टारगेट ये है कि एक बार अगर वो बंदे जब आ जाते हैं लेट्स से व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वी कैन डू टू लाइक गिव देम द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू फ्रॉम द प्लेटफॉर्म दैट इज द फोकस एरिया.
Abhishek, we will move on to the rapid fire round, but before I do that, just one or two more questions about the what next thing. So, is there a role that AI will get to play in Crick Heroes?
AI is already playing a role. So शायद आपको पता होगा we generate highlights for live stream match, right?
Yes.
So वो highlights generate होती है. Those highlights get generated with the help of AI because it's not easy. I mean, it's not. I mean, nearly impossible actually to generate those highlights for hundreds and hundreds of matches every day, right? There is a manual limit. मतलब नहीं कर पाएंगे, you know. So वो AI से होता है with a minimal intervention from a human. Right, so वो एक already AI is playing a major role over there. We also did play with AI commentary. So आपका जो commentary generate होता है, which is very bland right now. So वो commentary AI से हमने बहुत अच्छा किया था. Like it will look like it look like a commentary in Cricinfo or Crickbuzz kind of commentary. जो is human those commentary. We kind of right now we are not doing that. थोड़ा time के लिए हमने वो experiment किया था. But I think we will definitely come back to that experiment very soon. And I think not AI, but machine learning is also playing role in terms of like coming up with those tags, right? जो हर एक बैटर का tag होता है, batter tags, bowler tags, so aspiring, like or hard hitter or accumulator or like economist, वो सब जो tags आते हैं, वो सब जो tags है वो machine learning के algorithm से आते हैं automatically. So there is no manual effort in generating those tags. So अगर आप मुझे बोलो कि भी मुझे ये hard hitter का tag दे दो, तो मैं नहीं दे पाऊंगा. वो algorithm decide करता है.
Correct. So, cheating possible नहीं है.
चीटिंग पॉसिबल नहीं है ना. मुझे खुद को ऑडिटर का टैग चाहिए बट मुझे भी उसके लिए खेलना ही पड़ेगा.
मैं आपको वही बोलने वाला था. Since I know the founder का मेरे को कोई टैग मिल सकता है, but you are saying कि नहीं मिल सकता. Crick Heroes is one place जहाँ पे आप मैच फिक्स नहीं कर सकते, जहाँ पे आप ओवर फिक्स नहीं कर सकते.
At least I really hope that it's नहीं हो सकता या at least बहुत difficult है.
Okay, so let me now come to the rapid fire round, right?
Okay, but Nitish, before that should I turn on the light because यहाँ पे भी I think अंधेरा हो रहा है, so maybe my light is not. And just a second. Yeah. Okay, I hope this is better.
Yeah, this is better. This is better.
Okay.
Okay, so my first question would have been, are you a bowler or a batter? But I think we've already covered that. So let me
Yes.
start with my second question. So,
Okay.
Dhoni, Kohli, Shami, or Bumrah, whose stats would you want to see on Crick Heroes?
Dhoni.
All for Dhoni,
Yeah, I mean, obviously,
Shami, or Bumrah?
if I have an option, then all four of them, absolutely. But if I would choose Dhoni, because like I admire him as a captain, as a player, as a person. Virat Kohli, I absolutely adore him. The only thing why I kind of like Dhoni more is because probably like my personality or like I feel that I can be like him. But Virat Kohli is such a passionate person. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि मैं चाहकर भी इतनी पैशन ला सकता हूँ मेरे अंदर, राइट? सो वो अनअचीवेबल लग रहा है मुझे, कोहली का पैशन एंड कोहली का फिटनेस एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट? And Bumrah, because like love Bumrah, he's from Ahmedabad. One for us, this thing, and second is he's an extremely intelligent cricketer. Yes, and obviously a world class bowler. So really, really respect for that.
And the last one was Shami.
शमी आई हैव एब्सोल्युटली admired him as a bowler. मुझे लगता है कि अभी इंग्लैंड में भी अगर शमी होता तो लाइक आवर बॉलिंग अटैक वुड हैव बीन एट अ डिफरेंट लेवल. अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही इज इंजर्ड एंड नॉट फिट फॉर प्ले, बट आई रियली रियली फील दैट बुमराह के साथ शमी का जो पैर है, दैट इज लाइक मैच मेड इन हेवन फॉर अस.
It's an absolutely unbeatable combination. Jay Viru वही है दोनों bowling के, right? In fact, Shami is a personal favorite.
Yeah, no, such a smooth action, right? I mean, Bumrah definitely, he's an excellent world class bowler, but you will not find that finesse in the style, in the action, etc., etc. Which you'll absolutely find in Shami.
Correct. So let's go to the next question. One startup which you admire outside cricket, apart from Zoho.
Yeah. No, I think there are, to be honest, there are many startups which I admire. So now let me try to figure out one startup. If I have to say, it doesn't have to be a tech startup, right?
No, it can be anything, any startup.
Okay, perfect. Okay, then I think the one company which I really love right now, which is doing really great, is March Tea. I don't know if you have heard of it. It's a t-shirt company. They started as selling t-shirts, and it's completely online. But I love their products. I love the way they have built the brand. Absolutely big fan. मेरे cupboard में I think the only t-shirts I have now are March t-shirts. बाकी सब t-shirts मेरे धीरे धीरे करके निकल गए हैं. So I only have March t-shirts, and then there are Crick Heroes t-shirts, the company t-shirts. So
So March t-shirts, they manufacture sporting apparel, or they manufacture general apparel?
I'm talking about casual. Yeah, no, I'm talking about absolutely casual. Yeah, so they started as a casual t-shirt company. Basically the founders, the March Tea, as much as I remember their story, they were looking to have t-shirts which they can wear every day to the company, every day to the job. Right, and for some reason they were not finding those quality t-shirts in the market. So they said, yeah, let's, कोई नहीं कर रहा है, हमको ही करने दो. And I think they have done a fantastic job. So like if you go to marchtee.com, I think you will realize what I.
So actually, most of the startups come up like that only, Abhishek. कोई कर नहीं रहा तो मैं ही कर देता हूँ. I mean, that's how I think it.
I think that's how it should be, right? That's how you should be. I mean, you should own you should sketch your own itch.
Okay, what is that one cricket superstition that you secretly believe in?
I'm not a very superstitious person, but कभी ना कभी थोड़ा बहुत तो आ ही जाता है. So cricket में.
And you must keep it in mind that your competing teams also will be listening to this. So
yes. I think yes. I think for the longest time मेरा बैटिंग करते टाइम ये एक सुपरस्टिशन था. सुपरस्टिशन बोलो या आदत बोलो कि like I used to tap my bat once last time before bowler hits the stride, the final stride. Right, so I somehow somewhere मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा था कि मुझे वो करना है to get into that like zone of hitting the ball. Right, so I always used to make sure that I tap my bat the very last time before the bowler hits the stride, and जब bowler stride hit करता है उसके बाद I will never tap.
Okay.
So वो मेरे दिमाग में कहीं ना कहीं सेट हो गया था. So I think it acted like a superstition because ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. You can obviously keep your bat in air all the time and still you'll be able to hit the shot, right? So I don't think
that's a very smart answer, Abhishek. आपने bowling का superstition नहीं बताया, which is where you excel. आपने batting का superstition बताया. अब I'll leave you at that. Okay. Have you come across any weird team names in Crick Heroes? And if yes, can you name one or two for us? Or more?
Yeah, no, very like sometimes. I mean, when we started Crick Heroes, we really used to see कि यार कैसे teams register होते हैं, right? Just to see, I mean, understand users' behavior, and like many a times we used to encounter funny, very very funny names. So for example, अभी recently अगर कोई टीम का नाम मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा हो तो I think एक कौन सा था that I think the South Indian movie which like झुकेगा नहीं साला, sorry I forgot the name. That
Pushpa. Pushpa.
हाँ, Pushpa, correct. हाँ, yeah. So I mean, why I remember this is the team's name was Pushpa 11, और उसके सामने था Bahubali 11, right? So Pushpa and Bahubali, right? Both South Indian hits playing against each other. So my colleague who was standing beside me, so he said कि मुझे लगता है कि ये पुष्पा वाले तो फील्डिंग के लिए झुकेंगे नहीं. बिकॉज यू नो दे विल, मतलब पैर से फील्डिंग करेंगे लेकिन झुकेंगे नहीं बॉल लेने के लिए.
Correct. And do players also have any funny nicknames? या players के ऐसे कोई nicknames नहीं है?
नहीं नहीं, होते हैं. यू नो लाइक जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मान लो कि आप अपने सर्कल में कालू के नाम से जाने जाते हो, या छोटू के नाम से जाने जाते हो, या भोला के नाम से जाने जाते हो, राइट? सो वो लोग अपना रियल नेम लिखेंगे एंड देन ब्रैकेट में भोला लिखेंगे, या ब्रैकेट ब्रैकेट में कालू लिखेंगे. तो या
I've seen this happen. अगर कोई स्पिनर बहुत अच्छा विकेट चटका रहा है ना, लगातार विकेट पे विकेट निकाल रहा है, so typically the team says start calling him out as कचरा.
ट्रू ट्रू
Right?
ट्रू ट्रू, एब्सोल्युटली. लगान इज दैट वन फिल्म जो, हाँ, जो हर एक क्रिकेट टीम में कहीं ना कहीं वो जुड़ा होता है.
If you go back to that that innings with Surya Kumar Yadav played, जिसमें वो he was hitting any ball anywhere, right? वसीम अकरम ने, I remember वसीम अकरम ने बोला था that this guy has come from some other planet. So उसके बाद एक मीम आया जिसमें वो राजीव विवेक, so if you remember that actor, right? वो ऐसे ही मिल गया सूर्य कुमार यादव का गुरु.
Absolutely. Yeah. So I think Lagan has, I mean, captured grassroots cricket to a, like a large extent, for sure.
Okay. Do you recall any funny player stats on the app?
Funny player stats, not funny but impressive. जैसे आपने बताया क्या, like a batter who has 50,000 runs, right? So like when we encounter such stats, specifically during our awards, right? Because तभी हमारा पूरा like stats crunching होता है. So like it never ceases to amaze us, the kind of cricket people play and the kind of frequency which they play with, etc. हमको तभी ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये लोग काम कब करते होंगे, नहीं? Even I'll give you a very आपने जैसे बोला कि founder, you said कि as a founder I have made passion my business, and right, and that's, मुझे लगता है कि at least I know one founder जिसने बहुत बड़ा founder होने के बाद भी उसने अपना passion नहीं छोड़ा है, which is Roman Saini of Unacademy.
Okay.
Right? He's the co-founder of Unacademy. The amount of cricket he plays, it's simply unbelievable, right? He plays in like 3-4 matches in parallel. I don't know how he does it. And to be like people have also complained us कि यार ये इतने सारे matches खेलते हैं तो हमारे stats कब उनके जैसे होंगे, right? But I mean, what can we do, to be honest, as cricket heroes, right? अब captains allow करेंगे, the system is allowing it. So then like what's in a way, like what can we do as a platform? But he's a brilliant cricketer. आप ऐसा हो तो आप रोमन सर्च करना और उनका प्रोफाइल देखना. I think he is one of the top batters this year 2025 में, overall India में शायद होंगे, right? But see, he runs a large company, right? And like, I mean, where does he find the time and where does he find the energy to play so much cricket? Like really huge respect for him for that.
तो कभी आपने रोमन को रीच आउट करके बोला कि रोमन आपके सारे स्टैट्स काट दूंगा अगर मेरे को ज्यादा पैसे नहीं दोगे तो?
नहीं, Roman has been very kind. We have obviously, I have met him. उनकी ऑफिस में हम बैंगलोर में मिले थे एक बार. He also he was also interested in investing in Cricket Heroes as an angel investor, but लेकिन फिर वो टाइम पे बात नहीं बनी. But he has been a huge supporter of Cricket Heroes. He like he always buys everything which Cricket Heroes has to offer first, right? Plus he keeps actively engaging with me, where if we find something in the app, छोटे से छोटी अगर बात होगी तो वो मुझे मैसेज करेंगे कि यार ये सही नहीं चल रहा है, या ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, या यहाँ पे अच्छा हो सकता है, या ये मुझे अच्छा लगा, so he takes out even time from his busy schedule to give me feedback to make the app better.
And actually, ultimately, it is the users who help you move ahead, right? I mean, if this kind of a feedback keeps coming in,
रोमन का तो मैं आपको एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, बट जैसे आपके साथ मेरा बात हुआ, आपने बहुत साल पहले हमको ईमेल किया था, राइट, कि हाउ कैन वी मेक द ग्लोबल रैंकिंग सिस्टम एंड ऑल, राइट? इसी तरह हम बहुत सारे यूजर्स ऐसे हैं जो हमें या तो ईमेल करते हैं, या तो व्हाट्सएप पर रीच आउट करते हैं, या तो इंस्टाग्राम पर रीच आउट करते हैं, एंड दे ऑल कम फ्रॉम लाइक एक्सट्रीमली गुड फेथ, रिस्पेक्ट फॉर क्रिक हीरोज, एंड दे ऑल हैव ग्रेट इंटेंशन ऑफ कि यार ये आप ऐसा अच्छा ये भी कर सकते हो, अभी आप ये भी कर सकते हो, इन लाइक, so we are really really fortunate to have such a like a supportive user base.
Hmm. So what we are going to do is when we upload this video, caption में I'll provide an email ID. आपका मतलब आपका whosoever is is charged with collecting this kind of a feedback, so that आपको जहाँ तक हो सके एक ही जगह पे सारा feedback लोगों से मिले. It will become easy for you to compile the feedback.
Would love to get.
What is the most unexpected country or location where somebody has used Click Heroes?
I think there are many, but I remember one, so मैं आपको बताता हूँ. There is a country called Lesotho.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Lesotho, you know, right? Okay,
I've heard about Lesotho. Yes, yes.
yeah, I think it's a landlocked country in like in South Africa. South Africa. So like जब लेसोथो क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन के साथ हमारा बात हुआ था, मतलब माय कलीग हैंडल्स द एसोसिएशन पोर्टफोलियो. सो जब उन्होंने बोला कि यार लेसोथो क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन इज इंटरेस्टेड इन वर्किंग विद क्रिक हीरोज, पहले मुझे देखना पड़ा कि वेयर इज लेसोथो. So like that was one moment which I remember. Then obviously I studied about the country, and I got to know more about the country. Very very interesting place. So like जब ऐसे ऐसे रिमोट जगह पे जब जाता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कई बार हमें ऐसे भी मैसेज आते हैं दैट like I live at the southern most point of India, जहाँ पे हम क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, एंड वहाँ पे क्रिक हीरोज, like those kind of remote places. अंडमान निकोबार से एक बार हमें मैसेज आया था बहुत साल पहले that we use Crick Heroes in Andaman Nicobar and all. So tab like we really really feel proud ke yaar like somewhere like we have been able to do something right.
That's really like.
Touch so many life at so many remote places.
मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ ना, रिमोट प्लेसेस छोड़िए, you already jumped from cricket grounds to people's drawing rooms. हमारे तो फैमिली में कॉन्वर्सेशन होता है कि यार आज फिर चक्कर खा के आ गए. That kind of.
True.
Okay. What is the longest winning or losing streak a team has ever had on the app? Have you tracked?
I mean, I don't have it on top of my head, but we do keep featuring such teams on Crick Heroes feed. जहाँ पे longest winning streak, I've definitely seen 15, 20, 20, I think even 25, or maybe more. But to be honest, I don't want to give any false number. But at least 25 मैचेस तो मैंने 100%
याद है कुछ आपने ऐसा फिगर देखा है that around 25 matches straight they've won. Fantastic. Fantastic. And likewise, some team would have been unfortunate to have the longest losing streak also, no?
Yeah, and we have also been one of those teams. I wouldn't say longest, but yeah, काफी टाइम पे ऐसा होता है कि यार हार रहे हैं, like 5 matches you lose, 7 matches you lose. But I don't think 5 matches या 7 matches से लंबा streak रहा है, fortunately for us.
So guys, Abhishek's team's name is SVCC, right? That's your team's name, right? So what does SVCC stand for, Abhishek?
It stands for Spring Valley Cricket Club. So that's the team I used to play for or with before Crick Heroes. So essentially Spring Valley is a society in Ahmedabad. जहाँ पे एक मेरे दोस्त का there is a place where we used to play cricket at his home, right? So his home used to have a small cricket ground with a full pitch जहाँ पे हम क्रिकेट खेलते थे. फिर वहाँ पे जब बंद हुआ तो उसका दूसरा एक like प्लॉट था, वहाँ पे हमने क्रिकेट खेलना चालू किया, which became SVCC 2, Spring Valley Cricket Club 2 उनका नाम. But yeah, that was again like genesis of where the idea of Crick Heroes actually started.
Okay, fantastic. So हमारी टीम का नाम है क्रिकेट योगीज 11 and तो हमने 3 teams हैं. We have 3 teams actually. One is cricket yogis 11, one is cricket yogis, and the third one is CC 11. So depending on whether we are playing a friendly match or a tournament match, we use a team name accordingly. थोड़ा superstition.
नहीं ऐसा होता है. I also used to play from हमारा क्रिक हीरोज का दूसरा एक टीम है, जो क्रिक हीरोज के जो हम टीम मेंबर्स हैं, जो एक हॉट शॉट्स करके उनका टीम है. So I also played from that team for many matches.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, let me come to the final set of questions now, Abhishek. And this is where maybe we'll turn a little philosophical. So
Sure.
what would you like cricket heroes to be remembered for?
I think या आई मीन जो आपने ड्राइंग रूम कन्वर्सेशंस की बात की, राइट? मुझे लगता है कि दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच इन अ वे वी आर आइंग फॉर, राइट? दैट आई मीन नॉट जस्ट cricket grounds, but somewhere we have touched the hearts of people, that not only them, I mean not only the cricketers, but even their families kind of caring about it, right? Or at least like is kind of affected by it in a hopefully by a good way, right? मुझे लगता है कि मेरे ख्याल से अगर कंपनी का कोई एम होना चाहिए तो ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, that how do you touch the maximum number of lives in a positive way? So I think वही मेरा मेरा एम रहेगा कि how can cricket heroes touch lives of like as many people as possible in a positive way, and like we are able to bring some smile to their faces at the end of the day, right? जब मेरे ख्याल से कोई भी मूवी का एम ये होता है that like how do you tell a story, or how do people remember you as a movie, or like कुछ हम लोगों के like लोगों के मन में कुछ छोड़ के जाए. Similarly मुझे लगता है कि क्रिक हीरोज का भी यही एम है, at least personally for me, that people should remember that yeah, this product or this app has done something, has added some value in my life.
So Abhishek, on this note, Adi and I are very into the same family, so we have the same set of in-laws, right? And yesterday we were planning with our in-laws, and 25-30 मिनट का तो कॉन्वर्सेशन क्रिक हीरोज पे था,
Nice.
right? So that's a compliment to you guys. Okay,
Thank you.
What advice would you give to a first-time founder who's still kind of scribbling notes on a napkin, who's still making his business design on the napkin?
Yeah. So no, like I attend a lot of startup events in Ahmedabad and kabhi Bangalore में, Bombay में, Delhi में. So like when I'm speaking, or like I'm one of the panel members and all, so इस type का सवाल आता है from aspiring entrepreneurs, right? That when should I start? What is the best time to start? Or like what should I do? So there are like two sets of advices which I think I have kind of distilled throughout the years. One is just do it, Nike का जो tagline है. बिकॉज कई बार ऐसा होता है कि यार लाइक मैं सोच रहा हूँ, प्लान कर रहा हूँ, कब करूंगा वगैरह वगैरह. आई थिंक लाइक द बेस्ट टाइम इज टू स्टार्ट यस्टरडे, राइट? और दूसरा मेरा एडवाइस ये है कि बिफोर द EMI स्टार्ट्स, यू शुड स्टार्ट योर स्टार्टअप्स.
Okay. Okay, that's phenomenal. That's phenomenal.
Which it's an extremely risky move when you are starting a company, no matter at what stage. अगर आप कॉलेज के बाद में चालू कर रहे हो तुरंत, या यू आर एन एक्सपीरियंस प्रोफेशनल एंड यू आर स्टार्टिंग इट, राइट, विद सम फाइनेंशियल बैकिंग एंड ऑल, मेरे ख्याल से इट्स स्टिल अ वेरी एक्सट्रीमली रिस्की प्रोपोजिशन, राइट? तो जितना रिस्क कम है, और जितना नथिंग टू लूज जो बोलते हैं ना, कि आई हैव नथिंग टू लूज, like if you are in that condition, I think that is the best time to start something.
Correct. So running a business is like splitting your hair, right? It can be really tough sometimes. How do you find your peace in all the madness of running a business? Even though you're running a business which is like in line with your passion, but still I'm sure there are those moments. So how do you find your peace?
Yeah, no, definitely there are a lot of moments which kind of bothers you. Specifically when you think about your own shortcomings as a founder, when you're not able to take certain calls, or when when some of your calls go wrong, right? You end up you end up disappointing your team members, you end up disappointing your users, right? So these things, if you're a kind of person who is emotional in nature, you will take them very, very heavily, and those things can actually bog you down as a person. And so if you're not careful, you can really go into that gray zone, or like zone which you really don't want to be in as a person. So I think it's very important that you realize that it is not end of the world if something goes wrong. Like second, even if something goes wrong, there is always an opportunity to make it right. Right? That is second. And third, I think it's a long-term game, right? So these are the things which I think it's important for any founders to remember, that if something is not working out for you in the short term, you are not playing a short-term game. You are playing a very, very long-term game, right? So you will figure out a way to make it work. You will figure out a way to make your team members happy, your users happy, right? So मेरे ख्याल से some of the, these are the fundamental things, and like all the books you read, business books आप पढ़ो या motivational books आप पढ़ो, they all will in a way talk about the same things. But I think, like, however kind of common they are or trivial they are, I think they are the things which matter at the end of the day to find your inner self or find your inner peace.
So you basically, I think what I heard you say is introspection and self motivation, right? I mean, introspect, keep on thinking what's happened, keep on thinking on it, and be self motivated because nobody out there is going to come and motivate you as a founder, no?
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, it's very hard to get motivation as a founder, to be honest. You are absolutely right. So, you are the only one who can motivate yourself, and probably the books you are reading can help you motivate. But cricketers ke liye, one thing which has also worked for me is that, like, when I hear stories from our users that how cricketers affected them, or like how they loved one or the other thing which we have done, those are the stories which really motivates me personally. I really feel that okay, chalo, kuch to sahi ho raha hai, right? Hey, I know there are like 10 things which are going wrong, which obviously nobody knows outside. Yes, but kuch to sahi ho raha hai kahin pe. Right? So that makes me really, really happy.
So Abhishek, you mentioned about books. Do you read? And what kind of books do you read?
Yeah, I'll just tilt my camera. So
Okay, fantastic. Fantastic.
so this is my library, और उसके ऊपर आप देखोगे तो some of the trophies which I have won.
Trophies, yes,
Firstly,
correct.
as a captain, this is one of the many libraries I have in my home. So this is my personal library. My wife has her own library, and then
Oh,
there are
so
my daughter has her own library, and then there is like a few common books here and there. So we are definitely, as a family, we are into books. My wife, myself, and my daughter at least. My son is not into books. Yeah, so we do keep reading. I enjoy business stories, absolutely, as a genre. So I love thinking about how any company started or how any founder started and how they made their journey, right? मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं ये lessons मिलते हैं उसमें, which I am able to apply directly or indirectly in Quick Heroes, right? And I think they also motivate me a lot because, I also see the struggle in their entire journey, right? And I see that, okay, in spite of all the struggles, how they have made, like a big impact in the world, or how they have become a large corporation, right? So yeah, that in terms of genre, I think that is my favorite genre right now. I have also read fiction. ऐसा नहीं, I do end up reading fiction now and then, but most majority of my reading is around non-fiction, and that too around business stories.
okay. Since you said fiction, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you a copy of my book, right? And I'm going to and then you go through it and have fun and let me know how it goes.
Absolutely, absolutely. No, please do. Thank you, Nidish. Thank you.
Okay, and on distractions, right? So tech can also be very, very distractive, right? I mean, mobile phones, continuous barrage of notifications and all. How do you keep that away? Is there a time where you say that, look, in this time, I'm not going to switch on my laptop. I'm not even going to look at my mobile. कुछ ऐसा करते हो आप?
Yeah, no, मतलब मैं time नहीं करता हूँ, but I am very self-disciplined in that way. So for example, generally I try to avoid mobile from 9 p.m. onwards. I do not see messages. I mean, I consciously avoid it. I consciously avoid starting a computer after I'm back home. That is second. I also, like, in the morning, like till my gym is over, I do not, like see messages in my phone, right? Because इसमें क्या होता है कि, like once you start seeing those messages, you cannot help but think about them.
Exactly. कुछ ना कुछ चलना शुरू हो जाता है फिर.
Then you are in work mode, right? Then you are not able to enjoy, like some peaceful time with your family or some peaceful time with your friends at gym, right? I think I mean, probably for few years, it is okay. As a founder, like you do end up burning midnight oil for many, 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 many hours, right? But, like if you continuously doing it for 10, 15, 20 years, then, it is going to break you at some point of time.
Yes.
So then, you have to realize that, like when do you stop? And then everybody can obviously have their own guidelines or their own set of guardrails around this. But मेरे लिए personally, I have set these guardrails that I try to avoid mobile phones after 9. And I try to avoid mobile phones during weekends as much as I can. ऐसा नहीं है कि I do not do that. I absolutely, like enjoy, like going through certain apps. Specifically, I enjoy kind of going through Quick Heroes from a very critical point of view कि यार हम कहाँ पे कुछ अच्छा कर सकते हैं. मुझे during office time वो time नहीं मिलता है. So कभी-कभी मैं weekend पे, I end up spending an hour just going through the Quick Heroes app and, like sending barrage of messages to my team members कि हम यहाँ पे ये कर सकते हैं, हम ये कर सकते हैं, हम यहाँ पे, and pour them, some of them also reply and all over the weekend, right? But yeah, apart from that, I really avoid using mobile phone.
Okay,
And that's also
great.
I'm not very active on social media. I think that is also a choice which I have made after a few years. I was
Now, वो मैंने देखा है, you're not very active on social media, which I think is very good. Which I think is very good.
because and see, nothing wrong. I mean, people have built their companies, their brands around social media, and it has really worked for them. But for me, मुझे लगता है कि I am the kind of person now which I am happy building the company in the sidelines rather than limelight.
Correct. What do you do for leisure, Abhishek? Do you travel to destinations or what else do you do apart from playing cricket?
Yeah, no, I'm not an avid traveler, but I do end up traveling to different places, maybe 2 or 3 times a year, not more than that. But apart from that, for leisure, I have a fantastic group of friends. So like in gym, we meet every day, at least 5 days a week, and then like couple of days we play paddle tennis apart from cricket. So I think I have found a new love for the game. Like after a long time, I have found a new sport which I really enjoy. Apart from cricket, which is paddle tennis. So, these are activities which I do. And I enjoy reading. So, like anytime I don't have anything, I really, really enjoy reading. So, that is the time I kind of spend leisurely.
You mentioned about gymming, right? So, and I must point this out to all our listeners and viewers. Guys, it's very important to stay fit, right? There is staying fit. There is just no alternative to staying fit, right? You've just got to find that time to go out there and work out. Abhishek, as a last comment, would you want to add something on staying fit and gymming and fitness?
I think it has changed my life since after the time I became like serious about fitness. I was always to be honest, I was always a fit person. Because I used to play football in my school days, so I was actually fit during my formation years, and as a footballer. Then in college, I don't think I was extremely fit because I stopped playing football. There was no football in my college. I used to play cricket at that time, but again a leisurely cricket, so उतना वो fitness में नहीं रहता है. But after that, like after my first company in few years, I think probably in my early 30s, I came back to it seriously, right? And I started gymming and all those. And I'm so glad that I did that, and I have been able to continuously do that because, like, I think just the way you eat, you sleep, you exercise. It is as simple as that, right? It has to be part of your life. It is not something which you do for some time and then forget about it.
Especially in today's world, because अभी सबके lifestyle बहुत change हो चुके हैं, right? We are no more hunter gatherers, we are no more farmers, right? जो पूरे दिन खेतों में काम होता था, we are not doing all that stuff. We are sitting in air conditioned environment, so it's very, very important that we work out.
Absolutely, yeah.
So Abhishek, that brings us to the end of the session. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us. I'm 100% sure that people who watch this and see this and hear this, are definitely going to be both entertained and they're definitely going to learn a lot from this conversation that I've had with you.
Thank you, Nitish. It was really fun talking. I don't think I have had this kind of elaborate conversations on any podcast. This was like mix of business and personal and even philosophical. So thank you for asking those questions and making me also realize the way the things I believe in. And I'm really glad that I could put across some of my thoughts in this podcast, and hopefully, it will help somebody.
Yeah, definitely it will. And please keep a day for yourself when you come to Gurgaon.
Sure.
I would love to show you the places and let the day culminate in you playing a match with us.
Okay, perfect. All right.